In the vibrant heart of Jamaica, Moy and Brian were not just siblings, they were a remarkable duo of scientists driven by a shared passion for marine biology. Growing up near the stunning coral reefs of Negril, their childhood was filled with adventures along the shoreline, exploring tide pools and dreaming of unraveling the mysteries of the ocean. Years later, Moy, with her fierce determination and intuitive understanding of ecosystems, focused on coral conservation. Brian, ever the analytical thinker, specialized in marine microbiology, studying the tiny organisms that supported life in the ocean. Together, they formed a powerful partnership, blending Moy's creativity with Brian's methodical approach. One day, while conducting a joint research expedition, they stumbled upon a new species of microalgae that glowed vibrantly in the dark waters. Moy's eyes sparkled with excitement, while Brian meticulously documented every detail. They realized this discovery could revolutionize their understanding of coral health and bioluminescence. As they worked side by side in the lab, laughter mingled with the sound of bubbling beakers. Each day was a blend of rigorous research and warm familial banter. Their bond deepened, not just as scientists but as siblings, driven by a shared purpose. In the end, Moy and Brian's groundbreaking research earned them a place in the global scientific community, but it was their unwavering support for each other that truly illuminated their journey. Together, they showed the world that the strongest discoveries often rise from the deepest connections.